This is Rob Montgomery reporting from the bike lane in Berlin with a Røde Wireless Go, which is a small radio mic attached to an iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is attached to, well, my bike. So I have a bikerophone, I guess. A bikerophone video camera recording front and rear facing shots at full HD, 24 frames per second, with the amazing Doubletake app by Filmic. There's a lot of wind noise here, but I do have the microphone pretty well shielded here and with the appropriate fuzzy dead cat attached over the very small mic element. Now, this is a pretty good test because of all the road noise, because of the wind, because of the sun, because of the cobblestones of this setup. Now, the phone is mounted very securely, and I'll show you that. In fact, I showed you that a couple years ago when we did a 700-kilometer bike tour to Copenhagen from Berlin. And we did that as a test of this kind of technology and this type of daily reporting that you can do with just a smartphone and a few smart accessories. I hear a street musician behind me. Let's go and listen for a second. This is Rob Montgomery, and you never know what you're going to find in the bike lanes here in Berlin. But often, I find really cool stories. I find a different way to see the city that I live in. And I love using an app like Filmic Pro's Doubletake with my iPhone and a small microphone like the Wireless Go from Røde to be able to find, share, and take you along with me into the fascinating bike lanes of Berlin, where so many cool things happen and you can discover so many interesting facets to living here.